If you've never smoked a meat sauce for your pasta, you should really give it a try. I've got a 2.5 pound boneless chuck roast that I'm seasoning on all sides with Spiceology's salt, pepper, garlic rub. And we're gonna get that chuck roast on the smoker at 250 degrees for about 3 to 4 hours. I've diced up some carrots, celery, and onion. I'm gonna give that a saute in the pan with some salt and pepper until those start to soften. Add in some minced garlic and some tomato paste. Let that cook down a little bit and then add in some red wine. Gonna let that reduce by half, then add in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Give it a good stir, add in a little bit of water. I've got some Aleppo pepper, salt, and pepper again. Look how gorgeous that chuck roast is looking, and we're just going to nestle that down into the sauce. Cover it up with foil, back on the smoker for about 3 hours at 250, 275 degrees. After that, shred it up, add it to the sauce with some fresh basil or any herbs of your choice. Back on the smoker just to heat it up for about 20 minutes. And then you've got the perfect smoky, beefy tomato pasta sauce. Add Parmesan and more fresh basil. Hope you guys enjoy.